So in this VN video editor tutorial, I will be showing you how to rotate a video here on VN video editor. So here's my video right here. There you go, nice and easy. If I wanted to crop this video, it's pretty straightforward. Select the clip that you want to crop, then slide this bar to the right to where it says crop right here. Then you can go ahead and either select like an aspect ratio that you want to crop it to, for example. So if you wanted to make it that, you can. Or you can go to the original and you can just kind of play around with it yourself. So if this looks good to you, you can go ahead and do that. If this looks good, go ahead and press the check mark right here. Now the new video that you're playing will be cropped the way that you wanted it to. So once again, you can kind of go back here and zoom out. You can zoom back in, do the original. You can change it to certain aspect ratios if you want. You can also go to the top here and flip it if you want as well. And if this looks good to you, go ahead, press the check mark right here, and now your video is cropped accordingly. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to crop a video on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.